What? Uno, bitch.
Yeah, I can't play.
I didn't call you guys bitch. I called the world bitch. You want to quit? Yes. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
Try to Dougie. I'm trying to try Daddy.
You could download an app that lets you send out text messages.
Cody, I downloaded 4 caps at the liquor store.
App.
One of them went straight into my ass cheek. I downloaded 4 caps.
I'm not even going to tell you what it is, so don't use your phone. Just look cool.
I look cool without even knowing what I'm doing with my phone. But I look cool.
Just pretend he's texting you.
What? You said...
No, I need to leave. I gotta go. I gotta go and make $50 so I gotta get my phone. I only have 15.
I thought you said you were going to buy
I made $15 this morning.